I'll show you how you can pay in store with the Westpac Digital Card. Now, to pay in store with the Westpac Digital Card, you first have to add it to a digital wallet. And to add it to a digital wallet, you need to first to get the details of your Westpac Digital Card. Now, I'm going to show you how to do that. Now, on the actual Westpac Digital Card app here, you want to go ahead and tap on Card Details. After that, you want to copy all of the details here. So there's a couple of things you want to copy: the card number, the expiry date, and also the dynamic security code, or more commonly known as the CVV. Now, after all of that is done, so copy, just press the copy button there. So you'll have the card number, the expiry date, and the dynamic security code along with it as well. Now I'm going to show you how you can add it to a digital wallet. I'm going to use Apple Pay as an example. Now, all you have to do if you're on iPhone, you just have to scroll all the way down, and then you want to go ahead and go to wallet. Now on wallet, you just want to tap on add a card here, and then you have to fill in all of the details of your Westpac digital card. After that, you can start using the Apple Pay app to start paying on in-store, and of course, it'll be charging to your Westpac digital card.